Good evening, this is Chris here with B&C Roadside Service. We are heading out to do a flat tire this evening. Customer's been waiting a little while, so we're gonna get that out there as quickly as possible. I will check back with you guys once I get there. Alrighty, we are pulling up here to our vehicle that has a flat tire. Let's go see what we can do. Alright, there's our flat right there. So get the spare tire out and go from there. Parking brake's already up. Right. So what I like to do, I like to put these on the pinch welds. You can't see it. I'll put a picture showing. Hi, good. How are you? That's all right. At least it'll get you, you know, to the shop to get you all fixed up.
This doesn't happen on the highway.
Yeah, that's always a good thing, right? Nobody wants it done on the highway. Let me go put air in this for you. I can feel it needs it. Yep. Could have been that marking right there. Unsure.
Yeah, it looks like there's a hole there.
Yeah. All right. All right, thank you. Have a good one. All right, that's gonna conclude this video. We successfully got the spare tire put on, aired up to the proper PSI, and the customer's happy. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. And you guys have a good one.